I am Adam Mullins, part of the Mullins family that runs and operates Mullins Cheese and Mullins Whey. We looked at a few different systems. In the food industry, a lot of the programs are canned, so we would have to basically change our business to fit the software. We had other software programs here that were fabulous and worked really well, but just the way the industry is going, things had to be more connected and tied together, and we saw SoftTrace as an opportunity to do that. Myself and my brother had visited several sites in Ireland where SoftTrace was already in production and running for several years, and that's what really sold us. We saw it as a running functional system and not one that needed a whole lot of our time to get running. It made the choice very easy for us. It's been a great experience because we basically rolled in several separate software programs into one, as well as a lot of manual entry, paper and pen. Just having one system from front to back is probably the best thing. We're not jumping from one program to another, which was the case in the past. So we're able to answer customers' concerns faster, work with our suppliers on a more efficient manner. So it hasn't really changed it per se how we do things, it just increases the efficiency at which we do them and the speed. I would recommend SoftTrace because of the entirety. How it takes a business from incoming ingredients all the way to shipping out your finished product, and be able to trace from one end to the other, either from the beginning to the end or from the end to the beginning. It works out really well. The people at SoftTrace are excellent to work with, very easy to work with, both over phone, email, online meetings, various ways that we've done business with them, both when they're in Ireland and on site. Just a great opportunity to work with them. It's turning out rather well, and we're happy to have it here as we continue to expand.